A case of human coronavirus has been reported from Kolkata. A woman is said to be suffering from human coronavirus or HKU1. It is a species of coronavirus as the name suggests. But should you panic? Is another pandemic on its way? We discuss in this video. Let's start with the news itself. Well, flu cases are being reported from everywhere. Most people around you would have said that they are feeling a bit unwell or they have sore throat or some basic flu-like symptoms. However, a 45-year-old woman from Kolkata has been detected with human coronavirus. Now, this is not a new virus. It was discovered 2 decades ago in 2004, and it is different from COVID-19 because the virus itself is different from COVID, which was caused by SARS-CoV-2 virus. HKU1 was named after Hong Kong University, where it was originally described in 2004. HKU1 is also known as beta coronavirus Hongkongese, a species of coronavirus that affects humans and animals. This one, as per reports, is a rare one. Now, what are the symptoms of this virus? Well, just like any other viral infection or flu, the symptoms are same. So there is persistent cough, runny nose, nasal congestion or blocked sinuses, sore throat, fatigue, headache and a fever, which is usually a low grade one. In severe cases though, it might lead to a person having pneumonia or bronchitis. Now these diseases, they are self-limiting unlike COVID, and it resolves on its own, this virus HKU1. But the vulnerable groups are elderly, children and pregnant women. How does it spread though? Well, it transmits during direct contact with infected person via respiratory droplets, touching contaminated areas and touching your face, mouth, nose, etc. after that. Now, to prevent it, all we need to do is follow COVID time protocol. Not the extreme one though, no lockdown, but follow strict hand hygiene and sanitize yourself frequently, wear a mask in crowded areas and high-risk areas, cover your mouth and nose, keep social distancing from people who are infected with cold or cough. But is there a risk of a pandemic now? Well, as per experts, this virus is rare and does not have the potential to cause a big pandemic sort of a situation. So all you need to do is try not getting sick, and if you are, don't panic. You're not going to be infected seriously with it unless and until you already have some serious infection, or if you are suffering from any respiratory or other immune deficiency diseases. If you do, then you need to go to a doctor. If not, don't panic, because these symptoms can also be of a common cold or a normal flu. For more such news and views, keep watching ET Now.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.